Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of coconut milk. Ever wondered why coconut milk has been a staple in tropical cultures for thousands of years? Here's the thing. While the Western world is just catching on to this creamy superfood, communities across Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, and parts of Africa have been using it not just as food, but as medicine. And modern science is finally revealing why. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover 10 science-backed reasons why adding coconut milk to your diet might be one of the smartest health decisions you make this year. Whether you're lactose intolerant, following a plant-based diet, or just looking to upgrade your nutrition game, what you're about to learn could change how you think about this humble ingredient. So grab your favorite beverage, maybe even some coconut milk, and let's dive in. Benefit number 1. Packed with healthy fats. Coconut milk contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are processed differently than other dietary fats in the body. These MCTs travel directly to the liver, where they are converted into energy or ketones. Unlike long-chain fatty acids, they are less likely to be stored as body fat. This unique metabolic pathway makes them an efficient fuel source for both physical and mental performance. The body can utilize these fats quickly, providing sustained energy without the typical fat storage concerns. Benefit number 2. Supports heart health. The lauric acid found in coconut milk has been shown to increase HDL cholesterol levels. HDL cholesterol is considered beneficial because it helps remove harmful cholesterol from the bloodstream. Research indicates that populations consuming coconut-based diets often demonstrate lower rates of cardiovascular disease. The saturated fats in coconut milk differ from those in processed foods and animal products. Consuming coconut milk in moderation can contribute to a heart-healthy diet when combined with other factors. Benefit number 3. Boosts immune system. Coconut milk's lauric acid content converts into monolaurin once it enters the human digestive system. Monolaurin possesses strong antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that support immune function throughout the body. This compound helps protect against various pathogens by disrupting their protective outer membranes and cellular walls. Regular consumption may strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms against common infections and seasonal illnesses. The immune-boosting properties make coconut milk a valuable addition to a health-conscious dietary approach. Benefit number 4. Promotes weight management. The medium-chain triglycerides in coconut milk can support weight management goals when consumed as part of a balanced diet. These fats increase satiety levels, helping people feel fuller for longer periods after consuming meals. MCTs also boost metabolic rate slightly, which means the body burns more calories during digestion. Unlike other dietary fats, they are preferentially used for immediate energy rather than stored. Research suggests that replacing some dietary fats with MCTs may lead to modest weight loss over time. Benefit number 5. Improves digestive health. Coconut milk is naturally free from lactose, making it suitable for people with dairy intolerance or sensitivity. The anti-inflammatory compounds present in coconut milk help soothe and protect the digestive tract lining. These healthy fats facilitate better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including A, D, E, and K. The gentle nature of coconut milk makes it easier to digest compared to many alternatives. Regular consumption may contribute to improved overall digestive comfort and nutrient absorption in the body. Before we continue, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever tried coconut milk before? Drop a comment below with yes or a no. I'd love to know. Let's continue with the remaining 5 incredible benefits you need to know about. Benefit number 6. Enhances brain function. The ketones produced from MCTs serve as an alternative fuel source for brain cells and neurons. This alternative energy pathway becomes particularly valuable as the brain ages or experiences metabolic challenges. Research indicates that MCT consumption may support improved memory retention and cognitive processing in some individuals. The brain can utilize ketones efficiently, potentially enhancing mental clarity and focus throughout the day. Regular intake of coconut milk may contribute to better long-term cognitive health and function. Benefit number 7. Supports bone health. Many commercial coconut milk products are fortified with calcium to provide similar levels as dairy milk. The healthy fats in coconut milk enhance the body's ability to absorb calcium more efficiently. Coconut milk also contains phosphorus and magnesium, two essential minerals required for maintaining strong bones. These nutrients work together to support bone density and skeletal health throughout different life stages. Regular consumption as part of a balanced diet may contribute to better long-term bone health. Benefit number 8. Provides essential electrolytes. Coconut milk contains important electrolytes including potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus that support bodily functions daily. These minerals help regulate fluid balance within cells and maintain proper hydration levels in the body. Electrolytes are crucial for muscle function, nerve transmission, and maintaining optimal cellular communication throughout systems. The natural electrolyte content makes coconut milk beneficial for recovery after physical activity or exercise. These minerals support cardiovascular function and help maintain stable blood pressure levels in healthy individuals. Benefit number 9. Promotes healthy skin and hair. The vitamins and healthy fats in coconut milk nourish skin and hair from within when consumed. Vitamin C and E present in coconut milk provide antioxidant protection against free radical damage. The moisturizing fats help maintain skin elasticity and support the skin's natural barrier function effectively. Regular consumption may contribute to improved hair strength, shine, and overall scalp health over time. These nutrients work together to support the body's natural collagen production and tissue repair processes. Benefit number 10. Helps regulate blood sugar. Coconut milk has a relatively low glycemic index compared to many other sweetened or flavored beverages. The fat content helps slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream after consumption. This gradual absorption prevents rapid blood sugar spikes and the subsequent crashes that affect energy. For individuals managing blood sugar levels, coconut milk can be a suitable addition to meals. The stable energy release helps maintain consistent glucose levels throughout the day without dramatic fluctuations. So there you have it, 10 powerful reasons why coconut milk deserves a place in your kitchen. From supporting your heart and brain to boosting your immune system and helping manage your weight, this tropical treasure is much more than just a dairy alternative. But here's the important part. Not all coconut milk is created equal. Look for brands with minimal ingredients, ideally just coconut and water. Avoid those loaded with gums, preservatives, and added sugars. And remember, while coconut milk is incredibly nutritious, it's also calorie-dense, so moderation is key. The beauty of coconut milk is its versatility. Add it to your morning coffee, blend it into smoothies, use it as a base for curries and soups, or simply enjoy it as a refreshing drink. Your body will thank you. What's your favorite way to use coconut milk? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, sometimes the best superfoods have been hiding in plain sight for centuries.